Hello, welcome to another worship tutorial. Today we're going to learn a song titled Onaga by Tim Godfrey, and I'm going to be playing in the key of C sharp. Alright, so I'm going to play the song. When I finish, I'll show you the chords and then the progression. Alright, so I'm playing in the key of C sharp, and then the beginning of the song you have I hope you got it. F, C, E flat, and then B flat. Then the intro, they play something like this. So I think I have to show you the chords, then we play the song as we learn the chords. So the intro is so. Again. Alright, so for your right hand, you can play. And then your left. So you add a 2. Alright, so this is my 6th chord 6. This is the chord 6. And then chord 5. Okay, so remove the B flat and play your triad, or you can add it, and then chord 4 in the key of C sharp, or this. Yeah. So your 6, your 5, and then chord 4. So after the intro, then he plays Children of God, yeah, that's chord 1. Then Children of God, yeah, Children of God, yeah, Children of God, yeah, Children of God, will they shout hallelujah to the Lord God, hallelujah, hallelujah. Alright, so that plays. So after the Children of God, yeah, this chord 1. You can play like this. Chord 1, yeah, or this. So Children of God 1, Children of God 4, 2. So Children of God, yeah, then 4, Children of God, yeah. So this is how you play your 4. And then this is how you play your 2. So Children of God 1, Children of God 4, 2, Children of God, yeah, Children of God, yeah. Then you come to chord 1, Children of God, who did dance, hallelujah, say hallelujah to the Lord. You can play 1, 7, 6, or from from 1 you just move to hallelujah, 6, 4, hallelujah, 5, 6, hallelujah, hallelujah, 4, hallelujah, 6. Then Onaga. The Onaga, he plays 6 chord, but the one I showed you in the beginning, it fits, so you can play Onaga, 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 Onaga. So it repeats like that, and then there's a place where he sings, I feel like screaming like that I am. So that place you play 1, feel like screaming, play your B, for now play B major, then you come back to 1, so it's a 1, 7, 6, 5. You play A major, so then children. So it says from that point you play 6, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, then you move to hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. That's your 4, 5, 6 rather, 4. Alright, so this is how it's going to be. So basically that's the whole chords and the